everybody, Suzanne again with another BeKi Cat product share. And these dies are still designed by Nicole Silhouette. The beautiful thing about Nicole too, she lives in the Netherlands and she works with certain shops in China, these sellers on AliExpress, and she'll design all these dies. If you ask her for something like the door die that I showed in the previous video, she'll design door dies. So she won't design everything that you say, but she'll, because a bunch of people give like 50 million ideas, but she'll go through the comments in each of her videos and she'll contact, the seller and say, hey, a bunch of people are saying, yeah, that would be nice if we had door dies. And now a lot of the sellers have door dies. On the last design team product share video, this was also in my package. I didn't put it I didn't show you guys. So I just wanted to show you that. Look at this cute, adorable snowflakes. Now, when Nicole reviewed this on her channel, she said this took her so long to make. So isn't it gorgeous? I will cut it and show you guys. And I thought it was the same snowflake as this one that she designed, but it is not. So guess what? I have a lot of snowflakes now, as opposed to just my regular snowflakes in general, because I do have a thing for snowflakes too. Gosh, I have so many things, don't I? Snowflakes, memory decks, film strip dies, doily dies, floral dies, Halloween dies, Christmas dies, and yes, the poinsettias too. And then now what I'm going to show you, so this was in the design team package, so we're done with that. But I will link the information below, even that one that I just showed you again. And I'll also link the videos at the end so you can, go back and watch it if you caught this one instead. So these are dies that I bought from BeKi Cat before I got the design team package on Friday. So I had bought this snowflake. So this snowflake is a bigger version of this one. So I'm going to link both. So I guess I'll call this one cluster snowflake and this one snowflake. Come on. Isn't this making you smile? Come on. It is. Oh, love it, love it, love it, love it. So we have that. Then I also got, and Nicole did a reveal on this one. She said, she loves to do these doily dies. And she said, everybody has like oval, square, circle, rectangle, which is true. Everybody. Whether you're, AliExpress, or you're buying it from Spellbinders. Even Hero Arts has their, infinity dies. So she came up with this version, which I guess you would call this the oblong die. It looks kind of like a oval and a rectangle met each other. Yeah, kind of oblong, right? Am I right? I hope I'm right. 6.5 for the largest one. Yeah, right? Yep, 6.5 by 5 1/4, and I didn't measure those snowflakes. I'll do that shortly. And then look at the freebie in the middle. Come on, come on. Look at that beautiful poinsettia, and it's like small enough. So, because I have some big poinsettias, but I don't have any this tiny. The largest one, 1.5 inches wide. Smallest one, call it 7/8 of an inch. Wow, right? Cute. And then these little, look at this. This alone. You can use this for all your flower centers. Cute. And then you can pierce it, and then you can put a little dot here in the middle. Come on. And then you get even more poinsettias. So let's go over here now. This is the layering piece, and these are stitched. So we have stitching here for the layering. And yes, I'm going to use this, trust me. And then this is the outer doily piece with the stitching here as well. So these mirror up with each other, and the inner pieces measure, because I saw this and I was like, I don't want this thing to sell out. I definitely want this one. 4.5, 5.5, and the poinsettia, the largest poinsettia, 2 inches. Yeah, cute. Come on. So I'll link this below. Tons of possibilities for this. You can do a new stylish shaped card. You can turn the card, vertical card, horizontal card, make a little scene in here, have your poinsettias. Oh, this is gorgeous. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Let me go back to Well, let me measure the largest snowflake. Seeing that I'm in love and I'm hinting that you fall in love too. 2.5 inches. Smallest one, 1.25. This one here, the cluster one, sorry, you hear me clanging all that, that's so bad. 4.5, widest point, 3.5, 4.5 by 3.5. So this is great, just for card bases, you know, as a point. And then I also bought, now, in the last design team package, Becky had sent me this beautiful, love this little cloud with the Polaroid. So of course this is a twofer. You can use this by itself, you can use this by itself, you can use it together. So that was in the last design team share, and then this is a smaller one. And all these words, remember, thank you, birthday, and all this. Well, it did so well, so she came out with a new version. So we're going to move the oldie over here, which is oldie but goodie, and we're going to bring out the new one, which is a little bit bigger. And this one measures 5 by 4. This frame here, 4 3/4, 3 7/8. So we have this one, and this one comes with the cute, super cute, pierced detail, pierced and stitching, pierced on the outer scallop and then stitched on the inside. Cute, cute. Let me get my focus back on. Then it comes with the Polaroid as well, and no, they don't fit. So guess what I'm getting? I'm getting like different sizes of Polaroids. So this Polaroid is bigger. The inner Polaroid, let me give you the measurements. 4 3/8 by 4 3/8 by 3 3/8, and that fits on the inside. Let me get my camera back up. So there we go. So that fits that, this with this, and yes, there are words again. And then the smaller one. So here, they're just a little hair off, but sometimes that just makes a world of difference. So I have both sets now. So she gave me this one, and I bought this one. Happy, happy. And now I get more words to play with. This is cheese. Cool. So before I had hugs. Now we have, you can cool hugs. And you can use this by itself too. Love, these are the old ones. Smile, you, birthday, happy birthday, and then thank you. This one now is cheese, cool, friend, gift. Yeah. See, you can, yeah, gift. You know what I mean. Gift, lucky, and travel. Cute. Can use this on the camera too, right? Travel, that'd be gorgeous, wouldn't it? With the kind of cut into the camera base and then the layers. Yeah, I'm gonna play with that one. I tell you, I'm gonna do it Disney. I am gonna do it Disney. And then the last die, second to last. This one, she did a whole bunch of these, and I knew the package was coming, but I guess I didn't get all of these. But I can buy them. Support her store. 6 inches by, call it 6 by 3 length. From, was that 3? That wasn't 3. Yeah, 2 3/4. So this is perfect for the front of a slimline card. Oh, I know that's like, we're just snowflakes and then good looking, but you know what I mean. It's really good for scrapbooking too. You know, 12 by 12. Oh, this is perfect for that. Perfect. And because she did it this way, you can stack it. You can cut it in, you know, you cut out the good looking, then stack good looking options. I love options, right? Don't we all love options? Here's another one of those alphabet plates. And this one is a pierced alphabet plate, which I just thought was so cute. And Nicole designed this as well. Love. The letters are average 3/4 inch high by 1/2 inch wide, and the whole plate, this will fit in your die cut machine. 6 3/4 by 3 3/4. Isn't that cute? And it comes with the numbers, the question mark, the exclamation, the little dash. Should have had a hashtag. Darn, that's the only thing missing is a hashtag, right? Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoy my second BeKi Cat product share. Until next time, stay crafty, my friends, and look for the link below with the link to all these products. They're just all great, and they are unique, and they're not they are exclusive to Nicole designing for BeKi Cat. Alrighty guys, until next time, stay crafty.